it's Kamori, and today we're going to be styling the wig and making the ears for the Mew Ichigo cosplay. For the base wig for Mew Ichigo, I'm using a Hana in Cotton Candy Pink from Purple Plum Wigs. It is a little bit lighter in person than it shows up on camera, but the main reason why I decided to use this wig is because it's already fairly close to Ichigo's hairstyle, and Purple Plum ships super fast if you live in the United States, so that way I would be sure to get the wig in time for my event this weekend. Next, I took a comb and brushed out the curls to give it a little bit more volume. As you can see, this side has been brushed and this side has not. Then I trimmed the bangs and kept a little bit of the longer bits on the edges to frame the face. To make Ichigo's ears, we're going to start by cutting 2 of the base ear pieces out of black fabric and 2 out of pink fabric. Then we're going to put right sides together and sew it together along the outer edge, leaving a space open at the bottom so we can turn it right side out. Turn the ear right side out and sew the hole closed. Then we're going to fold over the top of the ear and sew it into place. Next, we're going to part the wig so that the wefts are exposed, and we're going to then sew the ear onto the wig itself. And with that, Mew Ichigo's wig is done. For more tutorials on how to make the rest of the costume, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.